Well, today's gonna be pretty interesting because we have 20 to 40 mile an hour winds. But we're out at one of our favorite spots, so it's luckily not too bad in the wind. So we're gonna give it a shot today. We're gonna start out with some moving baits, see what we can get. Little ski bass. Yeah. Got him on a weedless swim bait. He's a little bitty, but he's just the start, hopefully. There we go. There we go, that's a better one. That's a better fish. Just falls right out. First keeper of the day. This one's at 14 1/4. They're getting bigger though. Alright, one more cast before I go to the water spot. We'll see what you think about that. There's the oh. Oh. There you go. Flopper, flopper. Think he wanted that whopper flopper? He straight munched it, bro. That's a better fish. You know, just out here catching topwater fish and 30 mile an hour winds. No idea. That was crazy. Like first cast, and boom. Second cast, boom. But I didn't catch that first fish. Where the hell? Oh, there it is. Another one on the whopper flopper. £3.5 pound, 18 incher. Dude, that's a chunk. They are just stacked up on this point. Caught numerous fish on this whopper flopper 130. On the HUD.
There we go, Tim. There we go. It's not a big fish, but you'll take it.
He's a little hungry. It's like a disappearing act. See it now? My first HUD fish. Yeah. Yes. First HUD fish.
Tim got himself a HUD fish. Well, I got this tiny one. Woo! Dude, very, very nice.
That was sick. That was actually my first fish on the Huddleston. This is the weedless version that Gene actually gave to me. Yep. Yep. Yeah. These guys are biting off more than they can chew. You can't make this kind of stuff up. These fish are so heavy today. We're out here fishing like 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts, and they're just chomping. And it falls right out.
Louie. Good bags. Mass mag draft. Actually, mag slow. Slow one. That one's at 15 inches. 15-inch bass on the mega bass.
Double up.
You this time. Dang. Hold on, give me a second. Inhale this soup, baby. Jesus H. Christ, dude.
Nice, we both got good fish too. No big deal, but me and Gene just doubled up with, mine's probably about 2.5, his is 3 it looks like.
Look at that chunk.
Nice.
This is on that spook. It's been a really, really weird day.
That was a pretty crazy day of fishing. Despite having 30-mile-an-hour winds, we still caught most of our fish on topwater.
It was fun to throw the spook all day, and I'm really glad I stuck to it. But what do you think about that first HUD fish you got?
Yeah, man, it was really exciting to get my first fish on a Huddleston, considering it's one of the staple swim baits when people think about throwing big baits. It was right at the end of the day, and we were just about to wrap up, and then I caught that fish, making it a perfect ending note. But we really appreciate you guys watching, so be sure to like and subscribe for more Real Gills adventures.
Gene and Tim's Hobie Kayaks brought to you by Mariner Sales.